It's about to get caliente with Artist Couture.
Entrada, 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 Entrada.
Hey guys, Chi Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we got that new from Artist Couture. This is their Caliente palette. It retails for $30 and baby, it's hot. We have 8 gorgeous summertime fine shades. There are 5 mattes, 2 metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl. So off top, it's a beautifully put together palette. I remember on, I believe it was Angel's IG stories, that one of the employees, or it might have been a friend, swatched a yellow shade, and all I remember her saying is, oh my god, that yellow. So I'm guessing this was it, and this was months ago. This is pre-corona, so I know this palette was in the works for quite some time. Can we just take a second to appreciate the freaking glow up? Oh my gosh, the glow up is real. We went from this lovely cardboard packaging, because I do like it, to this super sleek packaging. It's the same one from their Supreme Nudes, only in a miniature size. One thing that I really loved about the Supreme Nudes palette is that with the mirror, it stands straight up, so it's just so easy to do your makeup and the mirror not fall or anything like that, or you have to hold it. So convenient. I'm not wasting any time. Starting off with Cultura, and this is a bright matte yellow with a shade like this. A white bright base would be key. Okay, so far it is packing on pretty nicely. Can't complain. I've yet to encounter a bad Artist Couture shade. Like, they're all just super blendable and super amazing. So a little blendy blend action. That's actually a really nice yellow. Again, put a white base under it, boom, it's going to be bright as hell. Fuego is a matte orange, almost kind of on the coral side. At least that's how it's coming up on my lids. But ooh, that's pretty. That's going to be a beautiful crease color. Even as a lid shade, this color looks really nice. Ooh, I like this a lot. I know my shades aren't coming off as vibrant, but girl, I'm brown, okay? I'm a brown skin girl, so a lot of these bright, vibrant shades aren't going to look vibrant. So I don't want y'all in the comments like, girl, that's not vibrant, because it is. Vibras is, whoa. Vibras is a matte pink, but this isn't like baby doll pink. This is, I guess, more of a fuchsia pink. That's, ooh, she's a stunner. She looked good in the pan, but on the eye, girl, I'm not mad at this shade at all. I completely forgot to blend the other 2 shades, but I know Artist Couture's shades blend, so I think that's why I kind of like forgot. But yo, this is a beautiful shade. Wow, this is hot. No, Fuego is hot. This one, Fuego too. Because this is Vibras, this is a vibe. Yes, it is a vibe. You named this right. Yes, it is totally a vibe. Mango Rita, it's an interesting shade. This one is orangey gold. Yeah, it's orangey gold. This is one of the metallic shades, and it is not disappointing at all. This is like when you lick your fingers after eating some Cheetos. It's a really good orangey shade. I like that. I can't, ooh, we got to wet it, girl. We got to wet it. We got to, ooh. Favorite part, Artist Couture just never lets me down, ever. Like, come on, B. Look at that. Oh, that is scrumdiddlyumptious. I'm sorry. That, come on, these two together, magic, pure magic. Next we have Rumba, and this is a metallic orange. Definitely more on the orange side than Fuego is. Fuego is definitely more of a corally orange. This one is straight up orange, tangerine orange, good ripe orange. Everything so far has been very much so on theme and on brand right now. Just a little bit of water. It has a really nice like lightness to the orange. I really can't explain it. The reflex that's in it gets very, I guess, yellow. Like you can see like a yellow orange shift. It's actually kind of nice. It's nothing like holographic or anything like that, but I like the sheen that happens when you do wet it. I almost forgot. Brio is going to be the multi-dimension metallic-y shade. This is definitely more so on the light coral pink. If Fuego is a dark coral, this one is definitely a light coral pink. I think that pearl is really going to show up when I wet my brush, but packing it on, it is very, very, very nice. Let's, ooh, that would have been a disaster. Almost used makeup remover. It definitely has that mother of pearl type of look to it. It's really interesting. I don't know if this is a new formula. I can't remember if Angel had like a pearl type shade. I don't recall them having it, but it is something different. Because it's coming off a little bit more pink, you know, I'm just like, but I can still rock with it. I can still rock with it. Mamacita looks kind of pinky, kind of, I don't know, it kind of looks pinky red or very, very deep pink. I kind of love it though. Ooh, she is vibrant. She nice and deep. She packs on really nicely too. Of course I would have a little frowny face right there. Let me go and blend her out. Damn, like literally no effort to blend. Like Angel. Look at that blend. Look at it. Just, I really want to go to the shop and see how this is all created because it's just great. I freaking love it. Finally, we have Sensual. Sensual. Oh, that's a really beautiful matte brown. This is like the perfect terracotta. Got that brown, it's got that brick, it's got a tiny bit of orange to it. This is a winner. She is an absolute winner. And it's blending, and I don't have a dark line. Oh, that is, more people need to make this shade because this brown shade, perfection, absolute perfection. Probably my most favorite brown I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of browns. This one is it. This the one. Real quick, the two shades that stained were Vibras and Mamacita, but I kind of already knew that was going to stain because those pinky reds normally do. So just in case y'all wanted to know, this tutorial, I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to try to use this whole palette on my eyes. So yeah, girl, wish me luck. All right, we're going to dive right on into Fuego. We're just gonna pat that all into the crease and blend her out real simple. This is normally how I always start out. We'll figure it out from there. Taking a tiny bit of Coutura, I'm gonna place this right on the edge. It probably will turn a bit more orange, but that's okay because it's still, we're still gonna ride this train, man. We're gonna ride the ride. Sit back, relax. See where it lands, you know? It's going to be very, very cute. I'm predicting it. I am putting it out into the universe. Margarita. And we're just gonna pop her on the inner portion of our eye. See, I'm not a margarita type of girl. I'm more of a strawberry daiquiri because it has vodka. I forgot again. I forgot to do a cut crease. Gosh darn it. One day I'm going to remember this white base. One day. Clearly, it's never when I need it. Ooh, that's pretty fiery. Ooh. Ow. And I'm going to go into Rumba. I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Those two shades next to each other, really, really nice. I need something darker for the crease. Now that I'm looking at it, definitely need to darken it up with something. We gonna handle it, girl. Oh, this is super fiery. I'm digging it. Okay. I didn't wet my brush. Oh, travesty. How dare I? What did you think you were doing? Let's figure out what we're gonna do in this crease. We got options. Do we wanna do me rosa? Sensual. Sensual. I think we're gonna do that on the outer edge. Yeah, that's what I want. I think I'm gonna bring her up into the crease too because I want it a little bit darker than what I have. I'm trying to be real cute about this. I'm gonna blend it out with another brush. I just want to get it placed down so I know what I'm doing, and then the blending I can do later. Just don't leave the house looking like this, okay? Baby, I want some of your love. Taking a clean blending brush, we're just going to blend out sensual. Getting Phoenix vibes. Definitely summertime. This is definitely the right thing to call this palette Caliente because it is very like hot and sexy and vibrant. Okay. I think we're doing it. We're doing it. Okay. Let's work on the bottom for a bit. We're gonna tap on Mamacita right on our lash line. I think I'm gonna do something a little bit more fun and red and vibrant. I think this might be a good call. Let's see if I can actually do my under eye pretty decently because y'all know I struggle. Your girl struggles with this under eye so much. But I did find a tutorial of someone who I already follow because I struggle so much. I'ma learn. That's what we're here for. We all learning over here, okay? I'm gonna go into Vibras, blend that out. I'm gonna take it a little far down. Sure, why not? We're here already. I think lashes is really gonna set this off. This is definitely a lash kind of look. Okay, did I dip into everything? No, I didn't. I didn't dip into Brio, right? Since that shade is supposed to be bright, we're gonna tap that into the inner contour, hunty. Build that. Oh, that's cute. Wow, I think I did it, guys. I think I used every shade. Yeah, I used. Yep. Oh, look at me, look at me. Using all these shades, acting like I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go back over with this whole entire eye with a blending brush because yeah, I look a little unblended over here. Try to drag everything, make it look nice. My under eye is really deep and then my crease is a little bit meh. I think I'm gonna mix Sensual and Mamacita. I need a little bit more punch. Yeah, I think that's what I needed. Need a nice little mix of it. It looks a little too disjointed. Because I only had 8 shades to swatch, I'm spending a little bit more time with the tutorial. Okay. That's looking pretty. All right, we're gonna throw some lashes on, change my life, and I'll be right back. All right, we have a couple of things. Waterline, we have Urban Decay in Starfire. We got some Lily lashes in Mykonos. Forgot to tell you, I got a new cream bronzer from Fenty. This is Daiquiri Dip. Then I have on Artist Couture Honey Drip as a highlight. Then for the lips, I have ColourPop BFF3, Artist Couture Saucy Gal, and topped it off with Pat McGrath Bronze Temptation. And this is the look. I can't believe I was actually hesitant on this palette, but I'm super happy that I got it. I think I pulled a little something bronzy, something fun, something cute together, and I'm really digging it. Y'all know I rock with Artist Couture, so yeah, I'm your favorite unofficial brand ambassador. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.